In a world driven by status, likes, and labels, humility can feel like a lost art. But Romans 12:16 reminds us, live in harmony with one another. Do not be proud, but be willing to associate with people of low position. Do not be conceited. God calls us to harmony, not just with the people we agree with, but with everyone. Harmony starts when we let go of pride and make space for connection, compassion, and humility. That means you're not too important to help someone, you're not too successful to listen, and no one is beneath you. No one. Let me tell you a story that's been in the media not too long ago. Actor Keanu Reeves was spotted giving up his seat on a crowded train, so a woman carrying heavy bags could sit. No cameras, no publicity, someone just happened to notice. Here's a global celebrity, quietly serving someone who needed kindness. That moment, that's Romans 12:16 in real life. Keanu didn't look down. He looked around. Humility isn't about thinking less of yourself. It's about thinking of others more. God doesn't measure us by how much we have, but by how well we love. When we let go of ego, we make room for harmony. Take a moment and ask yourself, who in your life needs to feel seen today? Whose burden could you lift, not with money, but with mercy? Say this with me. I choose humility over pride. I choose connection over status. I choose to live in harmony, the way God calls me to. Pride builds walls, but humility builds bridges. Let's be bridge builders today. If this message spoke to your heart, please like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily Bloom on YouTube for more inspiration rooted in the Word and real life.